Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerhouse smartphone that won't absolutely wreck your savings account, and you've been waiting to see what Samsung's cooking up next, this video is for you. Samsung is about to drop a total bombshell in their legendary A series. We're talking about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. This is the highly anticipated successor to the fan-favorite Galaxy A56, and word on the street is that this phone is bringing flagship-level heat to the mid-range market. The best part, the leaks are already pouring in, and the hype is real. So, let's stop wasting time and dive into everything we know so far, from the specs to the price and that all-important launch date. Design and display. First off, let's talk about that screen. Samsung never misses when it comes to displays, and the A57 is no exception. We're looking at a massive 6.8-inch Super AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution. But it's not just big, it's fast. You're getting a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a 240Hz touch sampling rate, which is going to make gaming and scrolling feel like an absolute dream. The bezels, almost non-existent. We're expecting a 90.60% screen-to-body ratio for that edge-to-edge look. It's also built tough with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Top it off with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and you've got a device that looks and feels premium. Camera setup. Let's be real, your phone is basically your camera these days. The Galaxy A57 5G features a triple camera array on the back that is going to make mobile photographers very happy. The star of the show is a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS. Say goodbye to shaky videos and blurry night shots. You're also getting a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for those epic landscapes, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor for the tiny details. And for the selfie squad, a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. The coolest part of the latest leaks. It might be tucked away without a chunky notch or punch hole, giving you a totally uninterrupted view. Performance. Now, let's talk horsepower. Samsung isn't playing games this year. The A57 is rumored to pack the new Exynos 1680 chipset. Paired with the Xclipse 920 GPU, this thing is built for performance. Whether you're grinding through high-intensity games, multitasking like a pro, or even editing 4K video, this phone is designed to keep up without breaking a sweat. On the software side, it's expected to ship with Android 16, and Samsung's latest One UI 8.5. Expect a clean, snappy, and feature-rich experience right out of the box. Battery and charging. Battery anxiety is the worst, right? Well, the A57 has a massive 5000 mAh battery to keep you powered up. Whether you're binge-watching shows or working on the go, this thing is built for the long haul. And when you do finally run low, the 45-watt super fast charging will get you back in the game in no time. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, what's the damage? Leaks suggest the starting price will hover around $550. Considering the specs we just walked through, that is a seriously aggressive price point. As for when you can get your hands on it, expect Samsung to pull the curtain back as early as later this month. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is looking like a total package. Killer display, pro-grade cameras, solid performance, and a beefy battery. If these leaks hold true, this could easily be the mid-range game changer of the year. But I want to hear from you. Does the A57 have what it takes to be your next phone? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it.